where we're staying for a few hours tonight. Hello mga ka-senior, we just arrived by a 45-hour ferry ride from Manila to Davao, and now we will be taking a bus from Davao to Maramag, Bukidnon. I'm going to show you the cheapest place to sleep in Davao to catch the early morning bus to Bukidnon. Also, where is the terminal of buses going to Cagayan de Oro and Bukidnon, and how to get there. So, join me as we go to Davao, to Bukidnon from Davao. Let's go! Medyo matarik ang ating bababa. Ito pala yung port. Hindi tayo bumaba. Matarik ang ating bababaan. So finally arrived here in Davao after 45 hours. Babaan, binabaan natin kanina. Medyo mahaba at madulas dahil maulan. And from here, we're going to take a bus sa labasan. Nasa loob tayo ng isang port terminal, so hindi advisable lang maglakad dahil medyo maulan at malayo. This is where we're staying for a few hours tonight, so that we can catch the early trip tomorrow to Bukidnon. The Morbi, dito tayo naka-check. Diba, Morbi. Very narrow. This is a very small room. Bed, single, with aircon, and with bathroom. Ito, very small. May CR naman, and then may shower. So, room tour ng Mabi. So, this is the bedroom. Maybe 1.5 meters by 2 meters. You have the bed and the flooring. It's probably the smallest CR I have ever seen. The CR, and this is the shower, and this is the lavabo. Imagine that. Wake up, wake up. Morning. It's 1:22 in the morning. Time to check out to go to the bus station. So, check out the get a taxi to Ecoland. Ecoland, kuya. To the taxi going to Ecoland. This is Davao in the morning. Travel on 30 in the morning. It rained a little bit last night. Hopefully it won't rain. check yan. Let's get in. So we just arrived and let's look for our bus. Still early maybe. Wala pa siguro. Hanapin natin ang look for Cagayan de Oro. Cotabato. We're not going to Cotabato. I believe this will be where the bus for Cagayan starts. Or maybe Maramag bus? Not sure if this is the bus. So, this is a 2:50 AM bus and we'll probably arriving in Maramag at around maybe 6 AM. Just in time. Finally inside the bus. This is the bus going to Cagayan de Oro, but balik na conductor will stop at Maramag. This is the Yutong bus, really quite new, and the ground is quite good, and they have I think this is USB port and something to hang and then handle. Quite good. So we got here at Ecolan by taxi from the Morbi where we stayed overnight. So it's about 1.6 kilometers. The taxi is 79 pesos. So but we gave the driver 100. So it took us maybe less than 10 minutes to reach Ecolan. It's about 3 hours and 13 minutes to get to Maramag. It's 159 kilometers. So I believe the bus is already leaving. It's 2:04. We should be arriving Maramag maybe 5:30, 6 o'clock. we finally arrived here in Maramag, Bukidnon after taking the bus for less than 4 hours. So it was fun and exciting adventure trying out the bus from Davao to Bukidnon. So we started actually very early. We arrived from our Manila to Davao 45-hour boat trip at around 7 p.m. and by 8 p.m. we checked in at the Dimarby Hotel in CM Recto in Davao. It was quite a very cute hotel because very small room but very affordable. We paid only 224 pesos for a 6-hour stay. So if you're transiting in Davao and want to rest first before taking the bus, I highly recommend taking Marby Hotel. From CM Recto, we took a taxi to the Ecolan bus terminal. It took us maybe less than 10 minutes. We paid 100 peso, although it's only about 79 peso fare. And then as soon as we arrived in Ecolan, we tried to look for the bus going to Cagayan de Oro. So if you want to go anywhere in Bukidnon, take the bus going to Cagayan de Oro, and these buses stop at any of the terminals in Bukidnon. So we immediately found the bus going to Cagayan de Oro, and when we asked if it's stopping by in Maramag, the conductor said yes. So we boarded at around 10 to 2 o'clock, and by 2 o'clock in the morning, the bus started rolling in. So we paid 295 pesos. So that's with senior discount. And then when I check how long it will take from Davao to Maramag, Bukidnon, it's about less than 160 kilometers. So I estimated it should be around 4 hours. So if you're taking the bus, early morning bus, make sure to bring a jacket because the air conditioning is very, very cold. So the bus made a few stops, I think in Quito and in Quezon. And by quarter to 6 o'clock, we finally arrived in Maramag, Bukidnon. I was not able to show the terminal in Maramag, Bukidnon, but it was quite huge. So it was a very fun and exciting experience to take the bus from Bukidnon to from Davao to Bukidnon. You can also take the bus from Cagayan de Oro to Bukidnon, and Bukidnon, Maramag in particular, is in the middle of these two major commercial hubs. So with that, thank you very much for joining me when I took the bus from Davao to Bukidnon. Travel while you can. Until our next vlog. See you soon.